Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best adhesives for Caravan solar panels that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're outfitting your RV, camper, or boat, we've got you covered with products that will keep your solar panels secure and efficient. You can find links to these products in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Solar Panel Mounting Brackets by 2012. This kit is designed to securely mount solar panels to flat or near-flat surfaces, making it ideal for RVs, caravans, and boats. The package includes 4 corner brackets, 2 side brackets, a waterproof cable gland, and self-tapping screws for added security. The ABS plastic construction ensures UV resistance and durability. But the lack of adhesive compatibility means you'll need to rely solely on screws for installation. While the product does provide excellent airflow underneath the solar panels for optimal cooling, its restrictive mounting method might be a drawback for users with curved or non-standard surfaces. The brackets come with a height that allows easy cleaning underneath, which is a thoughtful addition. However, the customer reviews highlight some concerns about the instructions being less detailed than expected, which could make installation a bit tricky for first-timers. In terms of value, this product is an economical choice for those who prefer a screw-only approach. It's not the most versatile option on this list, but it's a reliable choice for flat surfaces. If you're okay with drilling into your roof and need a basic yet sturdy mounting solution, this one might meet your needs. Pros include its heat dissipation design and durable material, while cons include its lack of adhesive compatibility and limited use on irregular surfaces. Coming in at number 4 is the RV Flexible Solar Panel Waterproof Butyl Rubber Tape. This product focuses on simplicity and versatility, allowing you to mount flexible solar panels securely without the need for brackets or screws. The tape's strong adhesion bonds well to smooth surfaces, such as RV roofs and boats, and its waterproof and corrosion-resistant design ensures long-term durability. One of the standout features is the generous 32.8 feet of tape, which can cover multiple panels or larger installations. However, it's important to note that the tape is best suited for smooth, flat surfaces. If your roof has a textured or uneven finish, the adhesion might not be as effective. Installation is straightforward. Cut the tape to size, apply it to the panel, and press it firmly onto the surface. While the tape is great for easy setup, removing it can leave residue, so keep that in mind before committing. This product is ideal for users who prioritize a clean, drill-free installation. It's especially handy for lightweight and flexible solar panels. The key pros are its ease of use, strong adhesion, and compatibility with various materials. On the downside, the adhesives may not perform well on textured surfaces, and removal can be a bit messy. For users looking for a hassle-free, non-invasive solution, RV's tape is a strong contender. Taking the number 2 spot is the REVPOSWER 100-watt flexible solar panel. This product is all about power and flexibility, offering a 23.5% conversion efficiency and the ability to bend up to 270 degrees. Whether you're mounting it on an RV, boat, or uneven surface, this panel is designed to adapt to your needs while delivering an impressive 500 watt-hours of electricity per day in optimal sunlight conditions. The panel is constructed with advanced polymer materials, making it ultra-thin and lightweight at just 5 pounds. It's easy to install with adhesive, double-sided tape, or zip ties, and its waterproof and dust-proof design ensures it can handle outdoor environments with ease. However, its higher price point and reliance on proper installation techniques may not appeal to budget-conscious users or beginners. Ideal for users who need a high-output, flexible solar solution for off-grid systems, the REVPOSWER panel combines performance and versatility. Pros include its high efficiency, lightweight build, and adaptability to uneven surfaces. Cons include its higher price and the need for careful installation to ensure maximum durability. If you want a high-performance solution for a variety of setups, this is an excellent choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the Solar Panel Mounting Brackets by CMY Yanglin. This drill-free mounting solution is perfect for RVs, caravans, and boats, offering an easy and secure way to install your solar panels in just minutes. Made from high-quality, non-corrosive ABS plastic, these brackets are designed to lift your panels off the roof, allowing for optimal airflow and cooling. The kit includes 4 corner brackets, 2 side brackets, a waterproof cable entry gland, and self-tapping screws. It's compatible with any aluminum-framed solar panel with a side length of 30 centimeters or longer, making it highly versatile. The IP68 rated cable gland ensures a waterproof connection, making this product ideal for outdoor use in a variety of environments. The CMY Yanglin mounting brackets stand out for their ease of installation, durability, and thoughtful design. While the kit doesn't include silicone sealant, it's a minor inconvenience given the overall value. Pros include its drill-free design, compatibility with large panels, and excellent heat dissipation. The only con is the need to purchase sealant separately. For anyone looking for a premium, hassle-free mounting solution, this product is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.